Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something big, and I mean really big. We're talking about one of the most anticipated modern armored beasts of the 2020s, the 2026 T995 Main Battle Tank. So buckle up, grab your rations, and get ready, because this isn't just any tank, this is a next-generation powerhouse designed to dominate the battlefield in ways we've only seen in sci-fi until now. Now before we dive into the nuts and bolts, let's talk about what the T995 actually is. The T995 is the latest main battle tank designed for multi-role deployment. Built to replace older heavy hitters like the M1 Abrams and to rival global competitors like the Russian T-14 Armata and the Chinese Type 99A2, the T995 represents a leap forward in armored warfare. It's not just a tank, it's more like a rolling fortress combined with a cutting-edge tech lab. Starting from the outside, the T995 sports a futuristic stealth-inspired angular hull, much less boxy than traditional tanks. The designers clearly had survivability in mind. This shape helps reduce the tank's radar signature, making it harder for enemy targeting systems to lock on. The armor is a layered composite blend, combining reactive, ceramic, and nanofiber plating. That's right, nanofibers. This provides insane protection against kinetic energy penetrators and tandem charge RPGs, which are some of the biggest threats on modern battlefields. The turret is fully unmanned, and all three crew members, commander, gunner, and driver, are safely housed in an armored capsule within the hull. That means no more peeking out of hatches under fire. Safety and efficiency all rolled into one. Now, let's talk about the part you're all waiting for, firepower. The T995 is armed with a 135mm electro-thermal chemical main gun. Say goodbye to the old 120mm rounds. This monster can fire a variety of advanced smart munitions, including programmable airburst shells, kinetic energy sabot rounds, and even laser-guided missiles. And if that's not enough, the T995 also packs a remote-controlled 30mm autocannon for anti-air and infantry defense, along with a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. It even features integrated drone deployment. A pair of micro-UAVs can be launched right from the rear hatch for real-time reconnaissance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 1,800 horsepower hybrid diesel engine paired with an electric drive system. What does that mean for you non-tank folks? Two things. First, stealth movement. In electric mode, the T995 can roll silently for short distances, ideal for ambushes. Second, incredible acceleration for a vehicle of its size, topping out at around 75 km/h on roads and holding a steady 50 km/h off-road. The suspension is fully adaptive, using a smart hydraulic system that adjusts based on terrain, meaning the T995 can handle rough mountains,